You have more than a passport to your own family's health. You have been deputized as an ambassador. I need you to help others restore their hope and health, people just like you. If you've watched this video series, you have the truth that they need. The truth about health that you share with them may be just what they need to have restored hope and health. Hi, this is Dr. Hobbs. Our mission is to restore hope and health for lifetime family wellness for everyone in the county. Now, people want hope, health, and natural wellness for a lifetime for their family. The problem is that they have bought the lie, and our silence is confirmation to them. I talked about the lie in the first video of this series titled, "You Were Designed to Be Healthy." The problem is there's not enough people trying to lead us on a path of truth. So how do we do that? Well, below I explain how we first open their mind and their heart by showing that we care, by listening to what they have to say. Then we connect with them by sharing our story. Then we speak to their doubts by sharing our uniqueness, and finally give them a special offer if you want, and it's an offer that only you can provide. So first, listen to their story. Now that's what we do in our office. Show that you care enough to listen first. Then share your story to help them know you understand. Make a connection and give them direction. This video series is good, but your story or a relevant video or written story that we give you that speaks to someone's symptom may be even more helpful. People often don't want help until they have a symptom that interferes with their life, one that keeps them from doing what they want to do or being who they want to be. So we start by sharing our story that speaks to where their focus is. This makes a connection, gives them hope and some direction. Next, share our uniqueness. Whether you see me personally or one of my associates, you can be sure the same level of excellence is maintained and the knowledge and experience is shared among us for your benefit. So uniqueness number one, if someone asks, why do you see a chiropractor? This is how I'd love to hear you say it. My chiropractor, who's also a neurologist and nutritionist, my chiropractor is the health expert on my team that checks my spine and nervous system regularly for any interference in the flow of information that keeps my body healthy and healing. Why? Who checks your spine and nervous system? All right, uniqueness number two. I'm board certified in chiropractic neurology and a guest speaker for the International Association of Functional Neurology and Rehabilitation. That's a mouthful. You can just say I'm a specialist in brain and nerve diagnosis and treatment without drugs or surgery. Uniqueness number three, I'm certified in functional medicine. That's where we use specialized lab tests, nutrition, and lifestyle to diagnose and restore challenging health conditions and keep the body healthy. Uniqueness number four, I have a dual certification in non-surgical spinal decompression. This is a process that helps restore bulging and herniated discs in the neck and lower back with or without nerve damage. A dual certification simply means that I've been trained and certified by two separate training organizations. Uniqueness number five, I've been in practice since 1996, treating a wide variety of patients with a spectrum of conditions, from neck pain, herniated discs and sciatica, to autism and dyslexia, to migraines, irritable bowel syndrome, and thyroid disorders. Okay, so I think that's enough for uniqueness. Suffice to say, we endeavor to be the very best, and we're always learning. And finally, you can share a friends and family certificate. This gives them a financial break on the first few visits. Now, these are available in our office for free for our patients to give out, especially when people have tried many other doctors and specialists. They may not want to risk their money, time, or even their hope. And you and I know those other doctors don't have the same training, experience, and passion. And those specialists were specialists in disease management, not wellness care. It's an entirely different path to wellness than it is to disease management. Now, for you and I both, it's really exciting to have a map and be able to point the direction to a clear path for someone who's lost their way to health and wellness. It's not your responsibility to make anyone go down that path, but with the knowledge you have, you are an ambassador for hope and health. Our mission is to restore hope and health for everyone in the county. Now, I want hope and health and lifetime family wellness for everyone, really. During this video, who would you think of that could benefit from this information, from hope and health? Think about it. Now, write their names down. You don't have to do anything with the list. Trust me, writing starts things in motion in your brain. You start to see opportunities and ideas that you wouldn't have otherwise. Your brain will automatically start to work on a solution perhaps a word of encouragement to show you care, or recall a video or story to share. There'll be a greater chance that you will be a positive impact in someone's life. You have a passport to your own family's health, and now you've been trained as an ambassador. I need you to help others restore their hope and health. Now, if you haven't seen all the videos in this series, feel free to text the keyword 12 things to our office phone number, and you'll receive the video series, 12 Things Every Patient Should Know, sent straight to your device. Or if you're not a patient, feel free to give us a call, make an appointment. We'd love to help you out, and we'll get you in as soon as we can. All right, have a wonderful day. Go be healthy and help others do the same.